this is especially for those who are looking for step-by-step way of how to upload on YouTube and how to set up their YouTube page. So this is meant to be a very short demonstration. So this is YouTube. When you log into YouTube, you're going to see a lot of pictures around. So if you don't have this left side open, probably because of this button, once you click it, everything comes out. So you have the home. This is the home page. Under it, you have the short. This is where under the shorts, you have the subscriptions if you have subscribed to any channel. Then under it, you have your channel's history, playlist, your videos, watch later, liked videos. And when you go down also, if there are subscriptions you've had, they will all appear here. Down to trends, more from YouTube, etc. So majorly our concern today is uploading of clips to YouTube. So this button here, let's start with it. This is search. If you want to search for videos on YouTube, use this and search. Or you can also click on the tags so that they go direct. So this button here is for create. This is where you create or upload the videos. This is for your notifications. And this is your profile. You click your profile, it comes up your profile name. View your channel. This is where you see your profile in more customize your channel, manage videos. So from here also you could see the create or upload button is still open here. So once we click it, you see upload a video or go live or create a post. The same way you make an update of post on WhatsApp, you can also make an update of post. You can go live, maybe you want to do live video. Where we are concerned today is uploading. You click it. So the studio will open for you to ask you what kind of video you want. So you can click select to pick the videos, or you can drag the videos into here, anyone you feel like. So when we click select, it takes us to our folder where clips are, where your videos are, probably where you kept the videos. So you look for a video, the one that you've already recorded. So you just click on it and open. Once you click on the video you want, you click on open. Then it comes up like this. First, we have details, monetization, video element, checks, and visibility. Once you upload a video the way we did now, you look down, is uploading. 11%, 12%. After it finished uploading, it will also check whether there are piracies, whether you use somebody's songs. You do a lot of checks before it will tell you that the video is okay. So first, you change the title, assuming the title is how to make your first description, is where you explain what the video is. This is a video of how to make your first video million. Then now put your hashtags, say hashtag how. When you put it, it will select how. You will see the automatic to bring up hashtag make. See, look out for all the tags, hashtag. So what you're doing is trying to ensure that the words or the keywords on your description, and also we'll put them in the tags below. While you're doing, you'll be checking the uploading is 72% with once. As it is uploading, it has already given you the link. You can copy this link and share. So you go down, thumbnail. Thumbnail is the picture that will be in front of the video that everybody will see. For example, if you have a video that does not have the first, thumbnail is what comes up. So you can choose upload a thumbnail that will use in front of you. So we'll look for something that is very catchy. Most times you'll have to go and design that. Look for something very catchy as your thumbnail. Let's get this. Load it. See? So when people look at the video, they are going to see that catchy first image that will make them to click the video. After that, if you want to put the video on a list of playlists, you can put them. I have some playlists I've created: beginner's journey to cybersecurity, how-tos, and cybersecurity animation tips. If you don't want them to be in any playlist, no problem. It has finished uploading here. Now it's processing up to SD, meaning the minimal playable version is processing. Then here it will ask you the audience. Is this video meant for kids? You say no. If it is kids video, children video, you say yes, but it's not a video for. Go to show more. Show more. They will ask you whether is it a paid promotion. My video, does it have any paid promotion? No. You go down. The SD loading has finished. Now it is checking it for piracy and so many other things. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear or say something they didn't say, or any of these controversy stuff, you say no. Automatic chapters. If your video is long, it can share it into chapters. Clicked, allow for automatic placements. Then tags. This place tags. You have to put tags that, for example, how. The word how is in our description. We'll add it as a tag. The word make is in our description, you add it. So what I'm doing is, when I put the word million, I put comma. Once you insert the comma, it will automatically put it up as tags. The checks are complete, no issues found. You see, it has marked check complete. So you continue to put the tags on your video, ensure you add tags so that the visibility will be okay. Then you still scroll down. The video is in English language, no caption, recording dates, all these stuffs. If you want to, you could add them. Okay, category, add your category to the category so viewers will find it easily. Type how to or whatever. Just put the type of the video it is. Let's say it's how to. Then you will not have to write, give an explanation of the comments and rating. Then when you're done with these details, you go to monetization. If your video has already, if your channel has been monetized already, this one will be here. If your channel is a new channel that has not been monetized, you won't see this part. But in my own case, I've been monetized, so I can see it. I can select yes, I want to monetize this video or not. If I press on, it will have a dollar sign. It will have a monetize. It is already monetized, so they are going to place the adverts inside the videos. Okay, then add sustainability. The next one, you're going to rate if your video has none of. Make sure that your video does not have controversial issues, sensitive events, fire alarm related issues. So most of the controversial issues, if your video is clean from them, violence, adult content, you can click none of the above. Then you submit it. Go up and submit your rating. I submit that my video is safe for viewers. No. Then the next one is video elements. You click on next. Video elements. If you have subtitles, you could add it, etc. Next, checks. The checks has already been done. Copyright, no copyright found. Sustainability, no issues found. So next is visibility. Visibility is where you decide whether you want your video to be, your content to be private, only you and people you choose to watch it, or you want it to be unlisted or public. So mostly you have to put the video on public so that everyone can watch it if they find. You can actually schedule when you want to post it, or you can publish it right away. So now you see publish here. So you can now copy the link, this link, copy it, press here to copy it and publish. So it is the same pattern when you are using the mobile version. When you are uploading with your phone, it's also the same, but it would be advisable to use a laptop so that you can have a good space to visualize all the settings and everything you're doing. So here is the video has been published. The link is here. Close here after copying to appear on your content. See, now you see the dollar sign. I'm showing you monetization because my page has been monetized already. So this is the video published, visibility public, monetization on, restriction none, date, views, and that is how you publish a video on YouTube. Thank you very much.
Lock down your info today. Keep hackers far away. Join our boot camp and see. Cyber secure you'll be. Password strong and tight. Firewalls for the fight. Weekly classes survive. Skills you need to survive. Cyber security, hey. Lock and key all the way. Join our team, don't delay. Secure your life today. day. Keep hackers far away. Join our boot camp and see cyber secure you'll be.